been a while since I've picked this bloody thing up. Let's get into sort of explaining, I guess. Guys, it has been a little while since I have picked up this camera, as you probably just could tell from that beginning clip. It feels so weird. It does. It feels really weird talking to a camera and talking to myself again. We're going to be trying to film a hell of a lot more. Fingers crossed. I've still got videos that I need to edit, but I'm going to try my absolute best to keep you guys entertained and uploading a hell of a lot more. This is going to be the first video sort of back, so nonetheless, make sure you check out all my links in the description below, subscribe to the channel, and let's just crack on with the video. I think I literally just caught the postman in the process of delivering, well, my next video. This top one's not, that's just ink for my printer, but the bottom box is possibly going to be the next video, so keep an eye out for that one. We will be needing that. To be honest, this one right here should be pretty easy because I actually hit a bird the other week and it snapped. Oh, that did not sound healthy. Hopefully I did not just snap it again. There we go. That one's out, and as you can see, a little bit of snap there. I actually can't remember where it snapped. All up here. Fixed it and put it all together. Now we just got to try and finagle that side out. Alright, that's both grills out. Turns out didn't even need the screwdriver, so that can go back in the shed. I'm gonna try and hide the grills underneath my car so they don't get run over. And we're gonna go cut them pipes. I have just noticed that there's a big old box right there. I'm hoping the pipe's gonna fit up round the back. Fingers crossed. Anyway, I don't really want to be cutting any of that away because that's quite a structural part, I believe. Anyway, let's go get to cutting the pipe. Yo, Max. There's the kitty cat. Can't really see her yet. There she is. Little kitten. She's actually probably about a year old now. You've probably already figured it out now, but this is what the saw is for. To trim the tube. Not the best saw to be chopping with, considering it's wood. It's fine. I probably did squish my finger. Halfway? Yeah, that'll do. Almost halfway. That's that. And that is that. And then there's the V-brace, but I definitely think I'm going to have to get a 45 and not a 90. Let's go have a little look. So I've actually just shortened the tube by quite a lot actually, because turns out I haven't got as much room behind that grill as I thought I had. So yeah, I'll show you the length I had before and I'll show you how much I just chopped off. Yeah, so I definitely think the 90 is going to be too angled, so I'm going to have to go pick up a 45, I reckon. Alright, so guys, that's one side done. I'm going to have to take it back out to measure up this one and make that the right size. But I don't even think I'm going to need the angled piece in there, because what it does is it just sits up the back there and it squishes between that little block that I was on about and down in that corner there. And it's pretty solid, not going anywhere. I was planning on wrapping these in a white reflective film, which I probably will do. I just think they're going to get scratched. Alright, so guys, I know my head's sort of not in the frame, but it sort of is. You just can't see my hairline, which isn't a bad thing. Anyway, both tubes cut to length. What I'm now going to do is clean them, and I'm going to wrap them with, this is some Auralite reflective film, which is supposed to be white. It looks a bit more grey, which I'm happy with because I don't want it to be like a bright white on the front, other than it being reflective, but it's the same as my number plate. Other than that, I'm hoping, yeah, I'll get both pieces out of this. Both pieces need oh, 3.5. So clean. Sticks. Do not take that the wrong way. Right, so that is that piece all. Oh, I've showed you the worst corner, which is on the back edge, which you're never going to see anyway. But yeah, that is the front all wrapped. Doesn't go all the way around, as you can see there and there, but that's the back edge that meets there and there, so it mostly sticks around the front, so we're all good. All good. I'm going to trim that a little bit off as well. Right, so guys, the grills aren't actually properly popped in yet, but I think I've got them pretty even. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty straightforward job. Hopefully this video didn't last too long and didn't bore you guys. But yeah, I think they look a bit off on camera for some reason. It almost seems like this one's higher than the other, but I don't know if it's just because of the angle. Because now, I don't know, you look at it from back here and it still looks pretty off. I don't know. Let me try line it up a little bit more. Hold on here. That's better. I think I fixed it now. This corner was a little bit too low compared to that corner, but it really does depend on what angle you get it at. I'm going to pop the grills back in and see what it looks like. The grills are easy enough to pop out anyway, so. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like... Alright, so guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you do appreciate the videos, and well, that's the wrong word, appreciate. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos, but I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out in the best way possible. Obviously it was just a little how-to. My how-to videos seem to do a little bit better on this channel. I don't know whether it's the way I do them or not. I don't know, they just seem to do a little bit better, but fingers crossed this one helped you out. Hopefully you don't go and spend stupid odd money on a bloody F30 V-brace and then cut it all up just to fit in the E90. Literally, it is that simple. just a couple of bits of PVC pipe, and believe it or not, because that pipe was bent, it was already kinked, by the way, I just bent it more to get it in the car. Because it was kinked, I got that whole pipe, which was like 2.5 meters long, and then the 90 degree as well, for about £1.26. So this mod, all in all, has only cost me about £1.26. And a little bit of my vinyl, which I make that back anyway on jobs that I do with that vinyl, so that didn't really cost me anything. Anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy and peace out.